This is me recording Inventor. I'm going to put my microphone or my hand things down. Hand controllers are down. Guitar is up. Going to try it just in a regular position. Okay, now I'll move it up closer to my head. Now I'll put it right in front of my head. And then I'm going to put it back down to where it was, but I'm going to try differently. Now I will turn that off from recording. And I'm going to try and save it to the YouTube file. Okay. So let's see if I turn it off first. Turning it off now.